Hey Raphael, I just got off the phone with Tina. My name is Devin. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix right away so you can start bringing in more customers right away. And I know you're wondering, why the heck would I ever make this video for you? It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending so much time running their business and taking care of their customers that they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing typically holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I give them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up calling me back saying, "Hey Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me?" Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My goal is just to educate as many business owners as I can. And what I'm going to talk to you about today is content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to mention that I really like the look of your website, especially this logo here. I haven't seen a logo like that before. I've worked with a lot of HVAC companies and it looks really, really nice. Also, the entire website is very clean. I like that you have all these brands right here. It's definitely a beautiful website. Google doesn't really rank you based off of your website's design though. What they care mostly about is all this content right here, all these words that you can read and whatever images are saved as. And they want to see a lot of content because a lot of content typically means their customers will stay on your website for longer. So they want to see about 2,000 words on your homepage, and what you're currently sitting at is 527. So the good news is that you can do that for free. It's just going to take some time, but I would write yourself another 1,500 words of content to make sure you get to that 2,000 word mark. If you go to, you see your main competitors here, Precision Heat and AC. If I go and see how many words these guys have, I'll put this in here. They have 1,232. So this is one of the big reasons they're outranking you, is because they have so much content. But by getting yourself to that 2,000 word mark, you're gonna blow them out of the water. Now you also want to have keywords in there. So for example, air conditioning repair Austin TX. People search this 250 times every single month. Obviously, you want to rank #1 for that. And the only way to do that is by having that in your content, which you don't have it anywhere in your content. So make sure you put keywords like that inside of your content, stuff that's like buyer intent. That's my first tip. Oh, you can also save your images as that too, by the way. That's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites linking to you. And they actually give you a lot more power if they see relevant links. So it's a better idea to get another HVAC company linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows that you're not selling pizzas. So the tool that I use to check this out is called Ahrefs. Don't worry about how much data you see here. I know it might be overwhelming. I'll explain what needs to be seen. So it says you guys have been around for a very long time, since before 2013, and you've had some links and you've kind of grown steadily, which is exactly how you want to grow. So great job there. You currently have 24 websites linking to you. If you want to beat Precision Heat and AC, it's actually really easy. So you see these guys have 326 websites linking to them. That may seem overwhelming, but all you have to do is copy them over time. Just get all those same links pointing back to you. So you go visit these different websites just like they did, and you get that website to link back to you. Sometimes they had to click the Contact Us button and request a link back to their homepage. Sometimes they had to create a profile, and in the profile they put a link back to their homepage. And sometimes they had to pay for the link. But whatever they did, you're going to have to do too. But this is way, way cheaper than paying for leads. And by just following those two tips of the backlinks and the content, that's how you end up taking this organic position right here. There's 3 spots you can show up on Google. You show up organically, you can show up by these ads, and getting here just requires bidding higher than your competitors for the different keywords. But the last place you can show up, and really the best place to show up, is right here. This is where most traffic goes, and it's free to get here. It's called the Google My Business section. Getting here just requires having more citations than your competitors. And a citation is anywhere where you place your name, your phone number, and your address in a different directory across the web. Directory is just a website like Yelp or Yext or Yellow Pages or White Pages, anything like that. If I were in your shoes, what I would recommend doing is figuring out what directories AC Pros is listed in, list myself on those same ones, and then add a bunch more on top. So if they had 150 citations, I'd be getting 250 citations, if not more. But that's all I've got for you, Raphael. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. I try to keep it short and to the point for you. As a very quick recap, you're going to want about 2,000 words on this homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content. You're also going to want to have probably a total of about 350 websites linking to you, and the best way to do that is just add all these websites that are linking to them to yourself so you can beat them organically. The last thing you want to do is you want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than AC Pros so you can take their spot in the Google My Business section. And by following those 3 tips, that's how you become #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what do I do with it now with this information? What I would recommend is starting on this stuff immediately, because it does take a lot of time to build all this up over time. You can't just do it all at once. And the quicker you get started, the quicker you make money down the road. If you want this stuff done for you, but you don't want to do it yourself, you want to just continue running your business, give me a call. My phone number is right here on the bottom of the page. I'll see if I can help you. If I'm not able to help you, I'll at least point you in the right direction. But either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to hearing back from you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.